the real question for next week across the whole country is it going to be warm or is it going to be wet? And the short answer really is it's actually a bit of both. Now I'm going to just turn on our air mass temperatures for now. So this is Tuesday. And notice around kind of northern Africa, Iberia, we've got this very warm plume of air. This area of low pressure, which I was just talking about, likely to be slightly further west. This moves in an anti-clockwise direction, so bringing in a southwesterly flow. Also high pressure situated across the near continent. This moves around in a clockwise direction, further strengthening that southwesterly flow. So that means a lot of this warm air across Iberia, moving up into the Bay of Biscay. By the time we reach later Wednesday, moving into Thursday, a lot of that is pushing up towards the south. So a good indication that a lot of that is likely to reach at least southern UK, perhaps even further north, depending whereabouts that area of low pressure does sit. So actually from the middle part of next week, temperatures are on the up, and I can show you that here. This is called a meteogram, and it basically shows the spread of potential temperatures we could see over the next couple of weeks. I'll draw your attention to Sunday, quite a small box, so low spread, so it's likely temperatures will be somewhere around this box here, temperatures shown on the left. So temperatures are dipping down Saturday, Sunday, just because of the unsettled weather, things aren't getting quite as warm. But notice as we head through the week, the temperatures, the boxes are moving further up. And then by the time we reach Thursday, that box is longer, so there's a bit more of a spread in temperatures. But the big box in the middle is above this red line. This is average for the time of year. And if we follow it along, it's indicating temperatures could be somewhere around the mid to high 20s. Even some outliers, for example, this little line here, that's the whisker. That's just actually indicating temperatures possibly even reaching into the 30 degrees Celsius. Now, it's still too far away to say if that's actually going to happen, but there are some model solutions indicating that it's a possibility. So temperatures are increasing day by day, but as I've mentioned with that area of low pressure, it's hard to pinpoint exactly whereabouts that warm plume is going to go. Now this is from our European model. We showed something similar last week. We run that model multiple times, slightly changing the initial conditions each time. And that gives us a bit of an indication as to what the potential weather could look like as we head into Thursday. And notice quite a lot of them are showing that warm plume move up from the south, but it's still very uncertain at this time. It's still far away. And with that warm, humid air, it's likely to result in a thundery breakdown as well. So yes, turning warmer, a good chance of thunderstorms. We'll have to keep an eye on our Met Office weather forecasts so that we can pinpoint day by day exactly whereabouts those hot temperatures are going to be and the potential for thunderstorms.